The second session of Magical Mirai 2023 live event concert ticket has already ended and the results are in, so it is a good time to tell you which of the goods you should bring or buy when you are in this event. Before I go through the list, the goods that I mentioned need not to be Magical Mirai specific, as long as they are related to Vocaloid. You are good to go. Examples like Snow Miku Festival, Kodo, Miku Symphony, Thunderbolt, Miku Expo, and more. The list of goods will start to roll out approximately in mid-June, and the list of goods will be added slowly once after 2 to 3 weeks time, so some of them may even only be available during the pre-event sale, so make sure you check back the official goods webpage from time to time. But having participated 3 times for this event, I can make a summary of 5 goods that you should bring or buy for this event. Starting off, number 5 is going to be a pen light. It is usually made of plastic and not very long in nature, approximately 25 centimeters, but the biggest flex is that you can switch the transparent flames to whichever Vocaloid character you like. Just leave it like this and you have a new flame, and you can remove this flame and put some other flames inside this tube. There are also some non-tubed pen lights, such as the Magical Mirai 10th anniversary. It is a sphere-shaped lighted pen light. I would consider this is a both usable and collectible goods if you are a Miku geek. Coming on number 4 is going to be a pen light holder. And the word says it all, it is used to contain the pen lights, usually 2 at most. It usually comes with a clip that can be handed onto something like your backpacks or the hoops within your pants. However, the downside for this thing is that you can only hold the regular pen lights, not something like the Magical Mirai 10th anniversary pen light, because it is a sphere shaped. And I highly recommend you to purchase it if ever Magical Mirai 2023 has the pen light holder on sale, because this item has not been on sale from Magical Mirai 2019 to 2022 or Magical Mirai 10th anniversary, if I prefer calling that. Sitting in number 3 is going to be a muffler towel. This item is a must-have if you decide to participate in a live show or DJ show like the Digital Stars. As you will cheer your favorite Vocaloid characters as the live show goes on, you will definitely get your muscles moved by a lot, extremely by a lot, so that you will sweat and get hot from time to time. So having this item can help you sweat your back, your waist, your arms, or even your neck until the end of the live show. The second place is going to be Vocaloid related t-shirts. This item is not really that hard to buy, as they are usually easy to get if you are in Akihabara, Ikebukuro, Nakano, Osaka, or you are just too lazy to go to these places. Don Quixote might sell these t-shirts too. Now of course, each Magical Mirai will sell their official t-shirts, whether it's regular or full graphic style for that particular year. Like this one I'm currently wearing for Magical Mirai 2019, and you can see a Miku at the back here. While some of the t-shirts will only be available during the pre-event sale period. You might think these pre-event t-shirts will only be available within the Japanese territory. Well, this isn't going to be the case anymore. Overseas fans are now eligible to purchase, and you can also get these pre-event t-shirts ahead of time. All you need to do during the checkout is to make sure you enter the correct credit card information and the correct residential address, then you are good to go. Before I go to number 1, I will give you 2 honorable mentions, which are plushies and Nendoroids. Plushies are generally soft in nature with different sizes, making them easy to carry during the events. I even saw some hardcore Vocaloid fans hanging some or even loads of Miku plushies into this event. Well, I wish I had the money to buy this many. Nendoroids, on the other hand, are typically small and made of hard plastic, so it is easy to break if you do not have any good protection on them. I would suggest you to bring a Nendoroid pouch to protect them, or if you have any extra parts, use any other containers like this plastic ball, and I put all of the remaining parts, for example the faces or the other armed parts, into this plastic container. The biggest flex for Nandroid is you can mix and match even you are holding the same Nandroid. The DIY style may also help you to identify which one of the Nandroids is yours and which are not, provided that in case some other Miku fans will bring the same Nandroid as yours. And number 1 is Happy, aka the livery coat. Happy coat is a traditional tube-sleeved Japanese coat, usually were worn during the festivals. It typically features symbols and or text on the lapels with a larger design on the back of the coat. For Vocaloid events, this item is no exception. You can find different kinds of designs specifically made for Happy Coat. One thing to keep in mind is, regardless of the pre-event sale or the on-site sale, Happy Coat is usually the very first item to be sold. So if you are desperate to have one, grab them as soon as possible. That's all for the list of top 5 goods you should bring or buy during Magical Mirai 2023. Let me know in the comments below of did I hit it or miss it, or any kinds of goods that you think it is important to bring or buy during this event. Make sure you have your credit cards ready and the list of goods will be rolled out very soon. Follow more tips, everyone. Peace.